Hello everyone, this is the second video in which we are discussing past year CAT questions from the topic set theory and Venn diagram. In the first part we discussed 10 questions from the old CAT papers. Solving past year CAT questions from each topic is a very integral part of your preparation. To take these past year CAT papers as an actual test, you can take these tests as a full length test as well as a sectional timed test. To take these tests, you can enroll to our course past year CAT papers for free. You can find the link of the enrollment link for this course in the description section. So now let's start with the first question of this video, question number 15. The question is from CAT 1999. The question is, in a survey of political preferences, 78% of those asked were in a favor of at least one of the proposals, proposal 1, proposal 2 and proposal 3. 50% of asked people, 50% of those asked favored proposal 1, 30% favored proposal 2, 20% favored proposal 3, 5% favored all three proposals. What percentage of those asked favored more than one of the three proposals? So let's draw a Venn diagram here. The circle represents number of people who favored proposal 1, proposal 2, proposal 3, and then the none. So this circle represents proposal 1, proposal 2, proposal 3 and then none. Total 78 people. What we will do is, let's assume the total number of people are 100. Out of this 78%, that is 78 people favored at least one proposal. It means over here the union of these three sets is equal to 78. It means the remaining 22 people, they did not favored any of the proposal. So none region is 22 over here. The value of first circle is 50. The value of second circle is 30. Third circle is 20. And 5 is a common portion of all three sets. So what we need to find? More than one proposal, everyone. More than one proposal means exactly two proposals and exactly three proposals. Exactly three proposals, we know that is 5 people favored all three. Exactly three proposals. Now exactly 2, let's take the variables A, B and C over here. So the exactly 2 region is A plus B plus C plus 5. Now we need to find the value of this addition. So exactly 1, let's assume exactly 1 as well, that is P, Q and R. So over here we need to make the equation. Union is equal to 78. Union is equal to 78. So from this the equation that we can make is exactly 1 plus exactly 2 and exactly 3. This addition is equal to 78. So the equation is going to be P plus Q plus R, then A plus B plus C, exactly 2, exactly 3 is 5, that is equal to 78. This is first equation that we got. The second equation, we can take a help of number of instances. Okay, so over here the number of instances is equal to 50 plus 30 plus 20, that is equal to 100. So P plus Q plus R, there is exactly one instance for P plus Q plus R. Exactly 2 is A plus B plus C. So the total number of instances will be 2 times A plus B plus C. Exactly 3 is 5. So these 5 people counted 3 times. The number of instances will be 3 into 5. This addition is equal to 100. So now what you need to do is, you need to solve these two equations. You will get the value of A plus B plus C easily. So let's have a look at it. The first equation is P plus Q plus R plus A plus B plus C is equal to 73. And this equation is P plus Q plus R plus 2 times a plus b plus c is equal to 85. So equation 1, equation 2, solve these two equations, subtract what you will get the value of a plus b plus c. That is equal to how much? 85 minus 73, that is 12. So our answer is this addition. So our answer is 12 plus 5, 17. This is how we can solve this question. The next question is from CAT 2002, a very famous question. Shyam visited Ram during his brief vacation. In the mornings, they both would go for yoga. In the evenings, they would play tennis. To have more fun, they indulge only in one activity per day. That is, either they went for yoga or played tennis each day, but not both. There were days when they were lazy and stayed home all day long. There were 24 mornings they did nothing, 14 evenings when they stayed at home, and a total of 22 days when they did yoga or played tennis. Then for how many days Shyam stayed with Ram? So let's have a look at it. So let's say in the morning, the question is saying the morning they will do yoga. So yoga they did on let's say X days. Okay, the yoga they did for X days. Then in the evening they will play tennis. So let's say Y evenings, or hold on, over here X mornings they did yoga. Y evenings they played tennis. So only one activity they did per day, only one activity. Or you can say, hold on, not only one activity everyone, at most one activity per day. Okay, at most one activity per day, because there were some days where they did nothing. So nothing is, let's say, K days they did nothing. So now 24 mornings they did nothing everyone. So 24 is the addition of what? Tennis they played on Y evenings. It means on the Y mornings, on the day they played tennis, the morning of that day they did nothing. And the K days they did nothing means K mornings they did nothing. So Y mornings plus K mornings they did nothing. 14 evenings they did nothing. 14 evenings they did nothing. So X mornings they did yoga. It means X evenings they did nothing, because on the day they will do yoga, they will not play tennis in the evening. And K days they did nothing. It means K evenings they did nothing. After that, 22 days they did yoga or played tennis. It means 22 is equal to X plus Y. So now you need to solve these three equations. So if you add first two equations, this addition is going to be X plus Y plus 2K is equal to 38. And we know X plus Y is equal to 22. So the value of 2 times K is equal to 16. The value of K is equal to 8. So now what is the question? How many days Ram stayed with Shyam? So our answer is equal to total number of days is equal to X plus Y plus K is the answer. The value of X plus Y is 22. The value of K is equal to 8. So our answer is 30 days. They stayed together for total 30 days. The next question is from CAT 2003. There are two questions dependent on the same data, question number 12 and question number 13. New age consultant have 3 consultants, Gyani, Medha and Buddhi. The sum of the number of projects handled by Gyani and Buddhi individually is equal to the number of projects in which Medha is involved. All three consultants were involved together in 6 projects. GANI works with Medha in 14 projects, and so on. Lots of data is given. So let's draw the Venn diagram over here. Hold on. So the first circle is for GANI, second circle is for Medha, and the third circle is for Buddhi, and this is for none. So the question says that the number of projects handled individually by GANI and Buddhi. So let's say GANI alone is going to handle A projects, Buddhi alone is going to handle B project. So that means the total number of projects that Medha is going to handle is A plus B. This is the meaning of second line. After this, all three consultants, they were involved together in the 6 projects. It means the value of this portion is 6. Then this one, GANI works with Medha in 14 projects. GANI and Medha, this addition is equal to 14. The common region of GANI and Medha is 14. It means 14 minus 6 is going to be 8. This part is 8. Over here, Buddhi has 2 projects with Medha, but not with GANI. It means this region is to only Buddhi and Medha. Only Buddhi and Medha, this region is equal to 2. And 3 projects with GANI without Medha. So Buddhi and GANI but not Medha. So this region is equal to 3. After this, the total number of projects of new age consultants is 1 less than twice the number of projects in which more than one consultant is involved. So let's have a look at it. The total number of projects is equal to more than one consultant, everyone. 8 plus 6, 14 plus 5, 14 plus 3 plus 2, 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. The total number of projects is equal to 1 less than twice the number of projects in which more than one consultant is involved. More than one consultant is involved in 8 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. That is equal to 19 projects. So from this, what we can see that the total number of projects involved in this Venn diagram is equal to 37. And the none region is 0 here. Because if there is a project, there has to be one consultant among these 3. The total number of projects is 37. After this, question number 12 says that what is the number of projects in which GANI alone is involved? Hold on. So let's try to do some calculation over here. So what we can conclude, everyone, the value of Medha circle is A plus B. The value of Medha circle is A plus B, or only Medha is how much? A plus B minus 16. So the value of Medha circle is A plus B, and outside Medha it is A plus 3 plus B. This addition is equal to total number of projects, that is 37. So from this, what we can conclude is 2 times A plus B. 2 times A plus B is equal to 37 minus 3 is equal to 34. So the value of A plus B is equal to 17. This is what we can conclude over here. So the question is, question number 12 is, what is the number of projects in which GANI alone is involved? So we need to find the value of A over here, and that we cannot determine uniquely. We don't have sufficient data to get the value of A. Now question number 13, let's have a look at it. Question number 13 is, hold on. This is question number 13. 1 second. What is the number of projects in which Medha alone is involved? So Medha alone, the answer of this question is how much? A plus B minus 16. So the value of A plus B is 17 minus 16. The answer of this question is 1, that is option B. This is how we can solve these two questions. The next is question number 11 from CAT 2003. A survey on a sample of 25 new cars being sold at a local auto dealer was conducted to see which of the three popular options, air conditioning, radio and power windows, were already installed. So if you read the data, lots of data is given. So let's draw the Venn diagram over here. 3-set Venn diagram. There are three features. The first one is air conditioning, then radio, and then power windows, and then none. So 15, total is 25. Total is 25, including none. Total is equal to 25. 15 had air conditioning. The value, don't write 15 over here. It means 15 are having only AC. That is incorrect. The value of AC circle is 15. So write 15 over here. The value of this AC circle is equal to 15. 2 had air conditioning and power window but not radio. So 2 will come over here. 12 had radio. The value of radio circle is 12. 6 had air conditioning and radio but not power windows, means 6 will come over here. 11 had power windows. 4 had radio and power windows. Radio and power window, the value of this region is equal to 4. The sum of these two portions is equal to 4. 3 had all three options. The value of this portion is 3. It means the value of this portion will be 1. So this is 10, this will become 2. This is 11, this will become 4. And this is equal to how much? 6. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. So over here the union is how much? The union is equal to 15, 20 and 23. Union is equal to 23. It means the two cars, 25 minus 23, two cars are not a part of this Venn diagram. It means the two cars, they have none of these three features. So what is the answer of this question, everyone? The answer of this question is 2. The answer of this question is 2. This is how we can solve this question. The next question is from CAT 2005. There are 3 questions under this data. The Help Distress HT is an NGO involved in providing assistance to the people suffering from natural disasters. Currently, it has 37 volunteers. They are involved in 3 projects. Tsunami relief in Tamil Nadu, flood relief in Maharashtra, earthquake in Gujarat. Each volunteer working with Help Distress has to be involved with at least one of the relief project. A maximum number of volunteers are involved in the FR project. Among them, the number of volunteers involved in FR project alone is equal to the volunteers equal to the volunteers having additional involvement in ER project. So hold on, let's draw the Venn diagram and put all this data in the Venn diagram. Hold on. So we need 3 set Venn diagram over here. The first, this is for TR, this is for FR, and this is for ER. The none region is 0 here because every volunteer is going to be there for at least one relief project, and the total union is equal to 37. Total number of volunteers involved is equal to 37. So let's read this statement again, everyone. A maximum number of volunteers are involved in the FR project. Maximum number of volunteers are involved. Among them, the number of volunteers involved in FR project alone is, let's say, A. It's same as the number of volunteers having additional involvement in the ER project. So the value of this FR and ER is also A. This common portion, the value of FR and ER, this common portion is also equal to A. Let's read this statement again. Among them means among FR, the number of volunteers involved in FR project alone is equal to the volunteers having additional involvement in ER project. So if FR alone is A, then FR and ER is equal to also A. So the value of this common portion is A. So we're done with this statement. The number of volunteers involved in the ER project alone is double the number of volunteers involved in all three projects. So if all three projects is B, the number of volunteers involved in all three projects is, let's say, B, then ER alone is going to be 2 times B. Then we done with this statement. Now the third statement. The number of volunteers involved in the TR project is 17. After that, the number of volunteers involved in the TR project alone is 1 less than the number of volunteers involved in ER project alone. ER project alone is 2B and 1 less than 2B. So this is going to be how much? 2B minus 1. This is TR alone. After this, 10 volunteers involved in the TR project are also involved in at least one more project, everyone. So 10 is the addition of what? TR and at least one other project. So hold on. So the 10 is the addition of these three regions, everyone. 10 is the addition of these three regions. So what I will do over here, let's take the variables. Let's take this is C and this is D. So C plus B plus D is equal to 10. It means the value of 2B minus 1 is equal to how much? 17 minus 10. That is equal to 7. So 2B is equal to 8. The value of B becomes 4. So over here we used all this data, everyone. So now there are 3 questions. What I will do is to do some more calculation. What I will do is, let me delete this data now. There is no any use of this data as we used all of them. So hold on. So over here now we need to deal with the variables. How many variables we used till now? A, B and C, A, B, C and D. So we got a value of B is equal to 4, everyone. After this, we know the total number of volunteers are 17. So what we can do here, let's have a look at it. The value of this portion is equal to A minus B, okay? A minus B. So the total is 37, everyone. The total of TR circle is 17. Out of TR circle, it is A plus A minus B plus 2 times B is equal to 37. So over here, what will get cancelled out, everyone? 2 times A plus B is equal to 37 minus 17. That is equal to 20. The value of B is equal to 4. So the value of A will become 8. So what I will do is, I will draw this diagram again. So hold on. Let me draw this diagram again. This is for TR, this is for FR, this is for ER. The value of this circle is 17, B is equal to 4, that is 7, then A is equal to 8, B is equal to 4. The value of C and D we don't know it. B is equal to 4, so this will be 8. A minus B is equal to 4. Yes, this is our Venn diagram. The total is 37. And the value of C plus D is going to be how much? Put B is equal to 4 over here. You will get the value of C plus D is equal to 6. So now we know the number of volunteers involved in FR is maximum. So what we can conclude everyone here, the value of FR should be greater than TR, and the value of FR should be greater than ER as well. So let's take a use of these two inequalities. The total of FR is equal to 16 plus C, that is greater than TR is 17. So from this we can conclude the value of C has to be greater than 1. The second condition, the total of FR is equal to 16 plus C, that should be greater than total of ER is how much? Total of ER is 844, that is 16 plus D everyone. So the value of C should be greater than D. And we know that C plus D is equal to 6 everyone. So C should be greater than D. So the possibilities over here, the value of C is equal to 4, the value of D is equal to 2, C is equal to 5, D is equal to 1, C is equal to 6, D is equal to 0. These are the three possibilities. So now let's try questions depending on this everyone. So what I will do now is I will delete what we need now. Hold on, let me delete some of the data now. Hold on. So this is what we need now to solve the questions, and none is equal to 0. Okay, none is equal to 0. So now let's have a look at question number 8 everyone. Question number 8. Based on the information given above, the minimum number of volunteers involved in both FR and TR but not in ER. So we want to find the minimum value of which region? FR and TR but not ER, that is minimum value of C we need to find everyone. You can see over here the minimum value that C can take is 4. The answer of this question is option C. After this, question number 9. Question number 9, let's have a look at it. Which of the following additional information would enable to find the exact number of volunteers involved in each project? So as of now, we don't know the exact number of volunteers in the project FR, that is equal to how much? 16 plus C. We don't know the exact value of C. Total of ER is also 16 plus D. We don't know the value of D. So option D is eliminated over here. Then option A says that 20 volunteers are involved in the project FR. It means C is equal to 4. If you consider this statement, you will get C is equal to 4, then D is equal to 2. So statement A alone is sufficient. Statement B, this data we already got, all three projects is equal to 4. There is no any need of statement B. Statement C, 23 volunteers involved in exactly one project. This also we already got. So there is no any need of option C. So statement A is sufficient to get the number of volunteers in each project. This is how we can solve question number 9. After this, question number 10. Hold on. After this, question number 10, let's have a look at it. After some time, the volunteers who were involved in all three projects, they were asked to withdraw from one project. As a result, one of the volunteers opted out of TR project. So hold on. Total there are 4 volunteers who are involved in all three projects. Now these 4, they are asked to withdraw from one of the project only. So now these 4 people will get shifted into exactly 2 portion. Exactly 2 portion everyone. These are the exactly 2 portion over here. So now one withdraw out of TR project. So this 4 will become 3 and this C will become C plus 1. And the one opted out of ER project. So one opted out of ER project. Hold on everyone. So what I will do here is, let me do this again. One opted out of TR project. So this 4 will become 4 plus 1. After that, one opted out of ER project. So this C will become C plus 1. Now the two people are left over here. Those two people are going to opt out of FR project, means this 4 will become 0 and this D will become D plus 2. These are the changes going to happen in this Venn diagram. So which of the following statement necessary follow? The lowest number of volunteers now in the group TR. So hold on. So after these changes, the total number of people in TR becomes how much? C plus D. It will still 6. Is it 6 or not? You can cross check. The addition is supposed to be 37. The total is supposed to be 37. So C plus D is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. The total of TR is equal to 16. Out of TR, outside TR, it is 8 plus 8 plus 5. That is equal to 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 16 is equal to 37. So C plus D is equal to 6 is still valid. The total of FR is equal to how much? Total of FR is equal to 12, 13, 14 plus C. The total of ER, it's supposed to be how much? 12 plus 3, 15 plus D. So we need to compare the number of volunteers working under each project. So how we can do this? Let's have a look at it. The total of TR, FR and ER. If C is equal to 4, D is equal to 2, then what will happen? Total of TR. If C is equal to 5, D is equal to 1, then what will happen? If C is equal to 6, D is equal to 0, then what will happen? The total of TR is always fixed, that is 16, 16 and 16. Total of FR is 14 plus C, 14 plus 4, 14 plus 5, 14 plus 6. Total of ER is equal to 15 plus D, 15 plus 0, 15 plus 1, 15 plus 2. So these are the three possibilities we are having. So which of the following statement is necessarily true? The lowest number of volunteers are in the project TR. The lowest number of volunteers are in the project TR. This is not possible in this case. So statement 1, option 1 is eliminated. More volunteers are now in FR than ER. It means FR is greater than ER. FR is greater than ER. This looks true in all the possible cases. Let's check statement C as well. TR is more volunteers in TR than ER. TR is greater than ER. TR is greater than ER. Not possible over here. So option C is eliminated. Option D is also eliminated. So statement B, option B is our final answer.